Hi everyone, this is Eric Guzman and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this video, we are going to discuss how to edit the working days or non-working days in a Primavera calendar. So this working days editing is the same for the three types of calendar, the global, project, and the resource calendar. So before editing a Primavera calendar, especially if it is a global calendar, we have to check first the option used by icon to open the calendar used by form to determine which other projects and which other resources are using this specific calendar. Like for example here, let's go to calendar. Let's say for example, let's click this trades 5-day work week. Let's click this option used by, click this. So calendar used by form will be shown here all the projects that are using this specific calendar, this trades 5-day work week. So these are the projects that are currently using this project calendar. And for resources, these are the specific resources that are using this project calendar as well. So before editing any calendar, you just have to know first if there will be projects or there will be resources that might be affected with this editing. So that's it. Let's close. And now let's try to edit a calendar. So again, let's go here to Enterprise, select calendars. You can select any of the three types of calendars, global, resource, or project. So from here, let's select this one. I have already created a sample calendar. And again, before editing any calendar, let's check first here. Click use by to see if there are any projects that are currently using this Primavera calendar. So as you can see here in our calendar used by form, 0 projects are using this. And for the resources, there are some resources here in my data system that are using this sample calendar. So anyways, we will just try to use this one to show how to edit the calendar working days. So to edit, we just have to click this modify option, click this one, and then we will be shown this form, the global calendar 5-day sample as the title or the name of the project calendar. Here in our form, we can see a calendar. So today is July 21, 2024. That's why the bold box here is here in July 21, 2024. So we are shown only the month of July 2024. To see the whole year, you can click this one and you can see the 12 months here in our whole year, January, February up to December, and July is highlighted as we are in the month of July right now. And if we want to select the column of days, say for example, all the Sundays in July 2024, all the Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So again, we just have to click here in the month to change the calendar view to monthly. So this change will make it easier to navigate around the calendar and works in other calendar view. Say for example, we want to change some working days in January, February, or any of the other month here. So let's say for example, we are going to edit the month of February to make non-work days into work days. Well, as you can see here, these days that are shaded with some kind of gray, blue here, these are the non-work days, and these white here are the work days. So to change it, let's say for example, this February 5, this is a work day. We want to change this as non-work day. We just have to highlight this specific day and click the non-work option to make this as a non-work day. So there you go. This is now a non-work day. And for example, we will change this column. Say for example, this column, we will have a full set of Saturdays, working days here in February. We can control click this 4. this one, control click 10, control click 17, and control click 24. We can change this to work days. So there you go. Or again, as we have done earlier, we can just click this full column and make it a work days or non-work days. So again, clicking on a column, for example here, or columns of days by clicking the day of the week box, which is located below the month and year, or control clicking will allow multiple columns to be selected like this one here. Take note that when making a non-working day into workday, we have to make sure that we check the working hours. Here, we can see here the work hours are the same as the rest of the calendar working days. So for example, this one, these are the regular work days. We have 10 work hours. And this column that we have just changed, February 3, February 10, 17, and 24, we have the work hours here as 8 hours only. So this is different. This is a difference of 2 hours from the regular working hours here that is already created in this 5-day sample project calendar. So to edit this work hours, we will be discussing this in the next tutorial video. And if you want to change back the individual days you have edited, so to return these individual days to the default setting or to the standard, we just have to select the day. Let's say for example, this February 5, 2024. Click the standard and it's changed back to the 10-hour work hours per day. And also this set of Saturday, click the column or you can control click one by one. Click the standard and it is back as the non-working hours. So that is how we edit a calendar work days. Now for the editing of the work hours, we will go here in the detailed work hours per day in the next tutorial video.